Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Claude AI on MacBook, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your MacBook is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Claude AI. Press the Enter key to load the website. Look for the option to create a new account or log in. If you're a new user, follow the prompts to set up your account. For existing users, enter your credentials to access Claude AI. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Locate the main input area where you can enter your questions or commands. To ask a question, type it neatly in the input box. Press the Enter key to send your query to Claude AI. Wait for a moment as Claude processes your input and generates a response. Read the response provided carefully. If you need more information or clarification, feel free to ask follow-up questions. You can use Claude AI for various tasks like brainstorming ideas, writing text, or seeking solutions. Experiment with different types of queries to see how Claude responds. Remember to take advantage of any help or tutorial sections available on the platform. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection and try reloading the page. Explore settings in your account to customize your experience. Keep your browser updated for the best performance with Claude AI. That's how you use Claude AI on your MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.